Hey everyone, welcome back to Dollicious Cravings. Today I'm going to share with you how to cook a very healthy asparagus. It's called Zesty Garlic Asparagus. If you're ready to share some love in the kitchen, let's get cooking. As you can see, these are all the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. So we'll be using olive oil, Parmesan cheese, butter, then we have lemon, and of course, one bunch of asparagus. To start off, let's mince 3 cloves of garlic. And then we will trim the top ends of the asparagus about 2 inches from the bottom. And then in cooking them, just add olive oil to the pan, then put your minced garlic. Then place the asparagus, cook for 3 to 4 minutes, stirring occasionally. And of course, it's time for seasonings. Season them with salt and pepper. And then drizzle lemon juice over the asparagus and grate with lemon zest. Sprinkle grated Parmesan over the asparagus and cook for a minute until the cheese slightly melts. Asparagus is rich in vitamins and fiber, helping with digestion, heart health, and immunity. It's also low in calories and has antioxidants to protect your body from damage. Plus, it's great for hydration since it has a great high water content. Let's assemble our zesty asparagus on the plate. If you want to add some protein, it's best to pair this with grilled salmon, steak, shrimp, roasted chicken, or tofu. In this video, I have already cooked chicken ham, fried eggs, and fried my dried fish as well. And there you have it, our zesty garlic asparagus. I hope you give this recipe a try, and if you enjoyed this video, please comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the love. Let's spread positivity, no hate, just love. Happy cooking!